start.
Hello, I'm Tennyson. We will learn about printing a document. You have heard everything about the history and its working principle explained by Percy. To print a document, you can use Microsoft Office Word or Adobe Acrobat PDF. Any type of a document such as image or a text. To open print window in Microsoft Office Word, click File and choose Print or use a shortcut key Ctrl and P. Once you have opened this, you can find out the name of the printer, select your page range, number of copies, or orientation. Suppose if your printer is Hewlett-Packard LaserJet, you must select Hewlett-Packard LaserJet with a model number. Then you can find out the copies and page range that you have set. And click Print. Now, as the printing starts, the printer icon is shown on the right side of the taskbar. This lets you open the printing status. Right-click on any one of the following document. You can either pause, restart, or cancel it. If there is not enough paper left in the printer, you'll receive an error message that is out of paper. To resolve this issue, press retry after adding more papers or the print button on the printer to continue printing. Once the printing is complete, you can turn off your printer while you're done. The problem shows you the malfunction of a printer, such as a paper jam or out of cartridge refill. In case of paper jam, remove the cover and then remove any jammed paper from the cartridge. If your cartridge is out of ink or toner, all you need to do is to redistribute the ink or toner in the existing cartridge. The procedure is rather similar to that of replacing your toner. Turn off and unplug the printer. Open the front hatch and gently pull out the cartridge. Once resolved, you can still use the printer. So, that is how you print a document on any softwares. Like, comment, and subscribe now.